for the first solution, what you need to do, you just need to click on the search icon and search for services. Okay, so search for services, and the first result which will appear here will be this one which says services. So I'm going to click on this services app, which is going to open this app, and once this services app opens, you will be able to see some names here. So what you need to do here is you need to search for the keyword Bluetooth, like this one, right? So you need to just select all the Bluetooth related services. I can see 3 services here right now. So here what you need to do, you just need to select each and every Bluetooth related service and then right click on it and then click on properties. And if you see startup type manual here, you need to change it to automatic. Okay, so change startup type to automatic, and if you see service status stopped, you need to start it. Okay, so in my case I can see it's stopped, so I will start this service, and once you do that, it's going to start this Bluetooth related service, and then once you are done, click on apply and then click on OK. So now you can see this service is running and it's automatic. Okay, so same you need to do for other services which are related to Bluetooth. So I can see this service is not running and it's manual, and this service is also not running and it's manual. So I'm going to just make them automatic and then start these services and then click on apply and then click on OK. Same I will do for the third Bluetooth related service. So once you see the status running in front of all the services, that means these services related to Bluetooth are running now. So what you need to do, you just need to restart your Windows 11 operating system and see if everything is working or not. Okay, so after this change, just check your Bluetooth and see if it's working or not. If it's not working, just try to restart your Windows operating system after this change and then see if the Bluetooth related problem is solved or not, and hopefully this problem will be solved on your Windows 11 operating system. So if your Bluetooth related problem is not solved, then we will move to the second solution. So for the second solution, once again you need to click on this search icon and then search for troubleshoot. Okay, so just search for troubleshoot settings, and once this result appears here, you just need to click on this option which says troubleshoot settings. So on this window you need to choose other troubleshooters option, which will show you all the troubleshooters related to different services, right? So we are interested in Bluetooth related troubleshooter, so we are going to just click this run button in front of Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on this run button in front of Bluetooth, which is going to detect all the Bluetooth related problems, and it's going to show you the result. So after some time you will see the status here. So in my case it's giving me this status which says check Bluetooth radio button, and it's fixed in my case. So in your case, if this troubleshooter finds any Bluetooth related problems on your Windows 11 operating system, it's going to solve it or suggest you the solution. So just run this troubleshooter and see if your problem is solved or not. And if the problem is not solved, then we will move to the third solution. So let me close this once again. So for the third solution, what you need to do, you just need to right click on this Windows Start icon. So this is a right click and not a left click. So right click on your Windows Start icon and then click on Device Manager. And once this Device Manager window opens, you will see all these options here. We are interested in Bluetooth option, so I'm going to expand this, and you will see under Bluetooth different drivers, right? So you just need to go through each and every one. So I'm going to just go to the first one, let's say, and then I'm going to right click here and then click on properties, and from here I can update the driver, I can disable the driver, and I can uninstall the driver, right? So try updating the driver from here. So I'm going to click on update driver here, and then I'm going to click on search automatically for drivers option. Okay, so let me click on this one, and you can see the best driver for your device are already installed. So I can see this message. In your case, you might get the different reply. If your driver is old, Windows 11 is going to try to update this driver by searching it on the internet, and it's going to try to update this driver. If this driver is up to date and still your problem is not solved, you can search for this driver on internet and then just download this driver and then update the driver manually. So for this, you just need to once again click on update, and this time you just need to click on browse my computer for drivers, and then you can browse for this driver which you have downloaded, and once you have selected this driver, you can click on next, and then you will update your driver. There is one more option here. So when you click on browse my computer for drivers, you can click on this option also, which says let me pick from the list of available driver on my computer, right? So you can also pick this option, and if you see multiple drivers listed here, just select one by one. So just select the first one and then click on next, and then update the driver and see if the problem is solved or not. And if the problem is not solved, just go to the next driver which is available on your computer. Same you need to do for all the drivers which you see here, and hopefully your problem will be solved related to Bluetooth on your Windows 11 operating system. So just try these solutions which I have mentioned, and hopefully your Bluetooth related problems will be solved on your Windows 11 operating system. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.